Import D. Asif cycles a distance of 105 kilometers. On the first part of his journey, he cycles 60 kilometers in 2 hours 25 minutes. On the second part of his journey, he cycles 45 kilometers at 20 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed for the whole journey. To calculate the average speed, need to divide the total distance by the total time, okay? But in the second part of the journey, we don't know the time taken here to finish the journey, so we need first to find or to calculate the time in this part of the journey, okay? T time equals distance over speed. The distance was 45 and the speed was 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, no need to make any convert. 45 divided by 20 equals 2.25. 2.25 means 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, we can calculate it like that. We have here in calculator 2.25, okay, equals 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, now to calculate the average speed, total distance was 105 divided by total time. We have here 2 hours 24 minutes plus 2 hours. 2 plus 2 is 4 hours, and 24 plus 15 is 30. Here 4 hours, and 24 plus 15 is 39. This equal 105 over 4 hours 39 minutes is equals 22.580, and so on. So we can round it to one decimal place, 22.6. okay, like that. In part E, Pine invested $480 in an account 4 years ago. The account pays compound interest at a rate of 2.1% per year. Today he uses some of the money in his account to buy a bicycle costing $430. Calculate how much money remains in his account. Okay, to calculate the money after 4 years equals 480 times 1 plus R over 100. R here is 2.1 over 100, all to power n number of years, 4. Okay, this equals 521.6. Okay, now he bought a bicycle costing 430, so we will subtract this 430 from this amount. Okay, minus 430 is equals, okay, minus 430, well, 91.6. okay, in part F, the formula S equals 1/2 ET power 2 is used to calculate the distance S traveled by a bicycle. when a equals 3 and t equals 10, each correct with the nearest integer. Calculate the lower bound of the distance s. Okay, this a equals 3 correct with nearest integer means that a greater than or equal to 2 point, this a, okay, 2.5 and less than 3.5, and this t here 10 means that t greater than or equal to 9.5 and less than 10.5. Okay, so to calculate the lower bounds of the distance s, okay, we will use the lower bounds of a and t. So here 1/2 times the lower bound of a is 2.5 times the lower bound of t is 9.5, but be careful because t here is squared, 9.5 squared, 0.5, 1/2 times 2.5 times 9.5 squared, this will be equal 112.8. Okay,